Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode.
This is Brain Rock Girls in Throw Song.
And today we have the lovely feminist creator, Muskan Madan.
हाय
मैं बताती हूँ मेरे पास है एक्सपीरियंस डेटिंग का पता नहीं क्यों है
disappointing way.
या बिकॉज
So how's your experience being on a dating app? डेटिंग को छोड़ दो लेकिन डेटिंग ऐप पे होने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है आपका?
डेटिंग को छोड़ दो नहीं छोड़ सकते बिकॉज ये दोनों चीज़ें साइमल्टेनियसली चलती हैं
हम्म,
और जहाँ पे लोगों को वॉशरूम जाना चाहिए वो लोग डेटिंग ऐप पे आके हकते हैं
Damn girl, brain rot girl.
तो आज हम करने वाले हैं कुछ हिंज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स को रेट विद द फेमिनिस्ट पर्सपेक्टिव
Yeah,
आर यू गाइस रेडी
I am always ready. I was so excited to do this.
So, which one do you want to start with? We're going to rate them out of 10 and we're going to give an in-depth analysis of a couple of them and why you should or why you should not say these things online to random women on the
Exactly.
internet. What the?
I think there should be a course how to compliment a woman.
This is the course you've been looking for.
Okay, so I'll read the first one. Your profile is adorable. If you are looking to have fun or sincere partner, I feel we should give us a chance. By the way, I feel you are too cute to be on this app, but you seem to be a bit pompous
Yeah.
too.
नखरे वाली.
हाँ, I am not that great with tantrums. Dilemma.
आप डिसाइड कर लो आप डिसाइड कर लो मतलब आप कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहते हो इंसल्ट करना चाहते हो रोस्ट करना चाहते हो क्या करना चाहते हो
I think he said is your profile is too adorable. उसके बाद, is this a way to directly just jump into and propose?
whatever happened to hi how are you I like your profile whatever happened to that you are too pompous how much would you give this out of 10
Ew. 3 because उसने पहले first line was your profile is adorable. So for only that part.
you look like my mom would love you
Oh my god, I have said this earlier and I'll say it again. Men want wives for their moms and girlfriends for themselves. So जब भी उनको शादी करनी होती है तो they'll choose someone whom their mom will like, not they'll like. So it's just two opposite people they want. And I hate it.
मुझे आपको डेट करना है आपकी माँ को डेट नहीं करना है तो मैं इसको देना चाहूँगी 2/10 जबकि पुराना वाला और ख़राब था बट मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पे थोड़े अनरिजॉल्व मॉमी इश्यूज हैं
Mama's boy. I'm ready to get my heart wrecked by you.
तो मैंने उसे बोला प्लीज़ बोलो
Madam, please wreck my heart and stuff your foot in my mouth.
I love it. Smash, bro! As you should.
Brain rot girl, Joshi girl. While everyone's chasing boys and their mood swings, I am over here with a bottle of wine and gifts ready to handle your tantrums. Enough mystery to keep things fun. Let's upgrade without any commitment and emotional stress. मैं माइक ड्रॉप करने वाली थी लेकिन मेरे से फोन ड्रॉप हो गया.
Valid reaction.
लेट्स अपग्रेड. भाई तेरे को कैजुअल चाहिए सीधा सीधा बोल.
What do you mean by boys with mood swings? मतलब क्या बोलना चाहते हो आप?
Everyone is chasing boys. Who is chasing?
I'm not chasing boys. अगर कोई मुझे बोलता है ना you look like a nice girl, मैं तो उसे left कर देती हूँ because I'm a woman. Okay? तुम्हें अगर बच्ची पटाओ करना है तो जाओ एप्स्टीन फाइल्स में जाके जाओ ठीक है यहाँ पे बात करने की जरूरत नहीं आपको
आधे से ज्यादा बच्ची पटाऊ करते भी हैं
I know it's very
स्कूल
weird.
गर्ल्स को.
You know why they do this?
Why?
Because usually younger girls don't have that kind of experience to know what is bare minimum. तो उनको बुद्धू बनाना बहुत easy होता है and grooming करना बहुत easy होता है.
And manipulation is very easy.
Not just that, I also feel like these people,
Hmm.
they feel like अगर आप groom कर लोगे ना तो लड़की आपके हिसाब से पली बड़ी होगी तो आप उसे जिंदगी भर के लिए कंट्रोल कर सकते हो.
Exactly, that is grooming, right?
Yeah.
तुम उसको as grow up ही इस तरह से कर रहे हो ताकि वो क्वेश्चन ही ना करे, ताकि वो कुछ बोले ही ना.
क्योंकि मैंने जैसे कहा था लोग तो इस डेटिंग ऐप पे हगने आते हैं हग दिया.
I've seen someone saying this in real that I like dumb girls.
A lot of our mainstream media is to be blamed for it, like how they would portray innocent women as being dumb,
Dumb.
and how men only fall in love with the women who are submissive, because men don't like being challenged by women. उनकी बस एक ही चीज उनको चैलेंज करने में मजा आता है मार धाड़ करने चले जाओ.
The little fragile ego.
How much would you rate that line though? Out of 10.
I think it's a minus for me because of the last line. Let's upgrade without any commitment and emotional stress. Of course, he was very much honest, but I want you to give a good compliment so that we can start talking. Not like directly declare that what you want and what you don't want.
Assume ही कर
in
लिया.
the compliment itself.
Assume कर लिया भाई बंदे ने.
हाँ.
You seem like someone who's actually worth meeting.
Actually, it is not like too bad as we have seen previous ones. So I will rate this 5. ठीक है, worth meeting ही बोला है उसमें. कुछ खास नहीं बोला है, कुछ गंदा भी नहीं बोला है. It's like neutral.
Agreed. I think it's okay. Like I would
Hmm.
like not swipe right on this because I feel like it's very low effort as well.
Exactly.
But that's a me problem. Like I like efforts. I like it when men say that they want to stuff my foot in their mouth. Yeah.
Hi cutie, wanna go for a long drive with soft music? Cooler chai with me. I think it is a nice one. I mean, I need some efforts to ask out, but अभी मैंने इतने वर्स देख लिए हैं पीछे पीछे वाले, तो मुझे ये सही लग रहा है.
अब मैं बताती हूँ मुझे इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. मुझे
Hmm.
ये प्रॉब्लम है कि तुमने अज्यूम कर लिया कि आई एम अ टी पर्सन.
Yes. Firstly, you should ask.
Yeah.
Firstly, you should get to know the person rather than just assuming that this is a date they would like. So इसने जब बोला ना long drive with soft music and cooler chai, this is a kind of date he likes.
Yeah.
So
But
it
to like
matters.
enforce that assumption onto some random woman that you've not even met IRL and just to assume that maybe there are people who like tea and coffee both, but there are also people who are completely anti-tea or completely anti-coffee. So you can't just make those assumptions. We're a very diverse group of people.
Yeah.
Stop putting us in boxes like that. Stupid.
Do you like to spoil your men? Firstly, English grammar. Do you like to spoil your men?
How many men am I spoiling?
That he can't answer ना.
मैं भी नहीं आंसर कर सकती. कोई है ही नहीं जिसको मैं स्पॉइल कर सकूं. और मैं ऐसे आदमियों को मैं स्पॉइल करूंगी, वो ऑलरेडी स्पॉइल्ड होते हैं. भाई देखो, हग रहे हैं यहाँ पे बैठकर.
I think yeah, men are spoiled in terms of, I'm not making a assumption or I'm not generalizing, but most men are mama's boy because
राजा
they
बेटा
are.
syndrome is also there, no?
Yeah,
So they are
yeah.
spoiled already and they expect कि मम्मा ने तो स्पॉइल करा है, अब मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड उर्फ बीवी उर्फ जो भी सिग्निफिकेंट अदर वो भी मुझे स्पॉइल करेगी. P says,
Hmm.
hey, you're so ridiculously obnoxiously adorable that this app seems dull by comparison. Want to ditch the small talk and grab some outrageously good cocktails and nachos, then lovingly roast each other.
Again, the assumption of cocktails and nachos. Now I know.
मतलब उड़ते तीर हैं ये. कभी लग गया तो लग गया.
I think they have copy pasted some messages on their WhatsApp to themselves, and whenever they want to like. No, they don't get to choose first of all. Whenever they open the dating app, they send the same message to each and every girl.
Yeah, they do. भाई मैंने कम से कम एक दो भी आएंगे आगे जो मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी कि मैंने ये वाला कॉम्प्लीमेंट कम से कम 6-7 बार तो पढ़ ही लिया है कि लिटरली चैट जीपीटी पे जाओ और कॉपी पेस्ट थोड़ी सी इंडिविजुअलिटी रख लो, थोड़ी सी ओरिजिनलिटी रख लो.
The people actually read my profile and saw my interest and also like included that in the compliment, in the first this compliment they have given me. So that is something very unique. It shows that they have spent watching my profile and analyzing, or just reading it, just knowing my interest.
So
You should
how
know.
much would you rate this one out of 10?
Again, for assumption, I would cut 5 marks, so 5.
What I don't understand is why everyone is into like roasting each other. Like that comes after you build intimacy, after you build that connection that you're able to be, you know.
Exactly.
What do you mean कि तुम फर्स्ट डेट पे जाते ही रोस्ट करने लग जाओगे? मतलब क्या हम भाई बंधु हैं?
And like boundaries नाम की कोई चीज होती है ना?
वो क्या होता है?
कुछ तो होता है. I think brain rot girls should learn boundaries with men, not with me.
Yeah, never with the girlies. Oh my god. Don't know why, but I get real positive vibes from your profile. Would definitely love to go out on a coffee date sometime.
Okay, again, assumption of a coffee date. And I like the first line. Don't know
Okay.
why I get the real like
Positive
positive vibes.
vibes.
So what I think is कभी ऐसे vibes आ जाती है photo से या profile से. Sometimes the intuition thing is
हाँ.
really strong. So I like that he was real, but I don't know अगर वो यही copy paste करके इतने लोगों को बोल रहा हो तो
क्योंकि ये तो काफी ज्यादा
generic सी line है.
I would give it a 6 on 10. What about you?
I would give it 5.
She's a very stern judge of these
I
compliments.
think कभी मुझे अगर मुझे कुछ ऐसा out of the world नहीं दिख जाता, मैं उसे 5 से ऊपर दे ही नहीं रही. So if it is like neutral, then it is 5. If it is below, then तो standards.
मुझे सेट करने हैं अभी, मुझे सेट करने हैं, वैसे करे हुए हैं और इसलिए मैं सिंगल हूँ.
I hope you don't pay luxury taxes for having such a beautiful eyes. They are cute and a bit mysterious, like they could cast magic spell. I know the chances of a response is 0.001%, but hey, I can believe in magic now. Again, very very chat GPT-ish, but I think I like how he has put efforts in knowing. I like how he knows the reality that the chances of response is 0.001%, and how he's so grounded to know that.
I like this one. I really like this one.
Yeah, so I would rate it 7.
It's a good rating. It's a very good rating.
Hmm.
Hey, with the intention of asking you out for an evening walk with coffee and exploring some food together.
Assumption.
मैं एक चीज़ अपने बारे में बताना चाहती हूँ इसमें। मैं 2 बजे के बाद कॉफ़ी नहीं पीती हूँ। तो अगर आप मुझे इवनिंग वॉक के लिए आपने अज़्यूम कर लिया कि मैं कॉफ़ी पीने जाऊँगी, तो वो तो होने नहीं वाला। एंड यही प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब आप फर्स्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट में नो हाय, नो हेलो, सीधा बोल रहे कॉफ़ी के लिए चलेंगे। अरे भाई! बात तो करके देख ले, जान
जान
तो
तो
ले।
ले।
एग्ज़ैक्टली, क्या था ये?
एंड सेम, मैं भी नहीं कॉफी पीती हूँ, मतलब शाम में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं पीती हूँ, बिकॉज आई कांट स्लीप एट नाइट.
सेम।
Oh, I'd like for us to talk on a long drunk walk, some laughs, maybe some screams. This is scary. Of course, we get us ice creams. Let me take you out for weekend rides, cozy sunsets, a coffee or two. Oh, and here's for you a sunflower emoji on a long drunk walk. I
With
don't know.
screams, bro, what the
I don't know about you, but we know, Kashyap and you know each other that well, that you can just go on a drunk walk and maybe some laughs and screams. Like, what is this?
What is this behavior, Kashyap? एंड लाइक व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ड्रंक वॉक्स? तो मुझे मतलब दारू पिलाने के बाद तो मुझे वॉक पे लेके जाओगे?
Silence is the answer.
Yeah, I would give it like a 2 because he tried making a poem. He tried.
I would not even reply, like, this is not my type at all.
I didn't reply, obviously, but I had to take a screenshot because it was so funny.
Next is, hey, wanna tell you that you are gorgeous for real. Can't wait to go on a coffee or long drive with you. So revert back ASAP. What is this corporate language? Revert back ASAP.
Second thing is there is nothing known as revert back because revert already means back, so you're saying back.
Yeah.
Just FYI.
Yes. Brain rot girl has a
Grammar.
lot of brain.
Yeah, I have a thing for grammar.
But I don't like this last line, so revert back ASAP. What are you ordering me? Do I owe you a reply? No.
I throw myself into an industrial grinder and get burned into black tar for the slight chance that I get used to make the road where you walk. Wow, very romantic. He wants to kill himself.
To make the road so that she can walk.
Love it. Matlab,
The efforts, the creativity, I think I'll give a good 7.
I would give this like a 7.5 because, yes, as you should. Die for me. Oh my god, what is happening? Leaf, and some stimulating conversations. Brownie points if you into pegging. It's like I've not even mentioned this account, like my Instagram, on the Hinge bio or anywhere. And he's already assumed. Do I look like a person who goes and like pegs random men?
No.
I mean, you can comment.
It's too much of information.
Sorry, we'll crop it out. What do you mean you're into pegging? I'm like, what?
Let's talk about the contract you have with God or the devil, because I need to know how someone can look this hot and beautiful at the same time.
Copy, pasted.
But I think it was generic, but I still like it.
But that's also because, you know, in dating apps, the first impression is very superficial.
The pictures.
Yeah, the pictures are very superficial. Like, I mean, I could look like a bomb in all my freaking pictures.
Pictures.
But then I also know that I have my days when I don't feel like it at all. So it really depends on which day you're saying this to me. On
Yeah.
what if I'm feeling beautiful? What if I'm not feeling beautiful? And then like I get to hear this and I'm like, liar.
Okay, I was telling there's a, like, dating apps do have interest and all of that things where you add your interest and hobbies and etc. So I do think that is something that needs to be included in the compliment. As I said, you have to analyze the profile and see what's common in between your hobbies and her hobbies. You know, I need personalization. If you have read about cold email, like how we cold email to people, that's how you need to have a cold text for dating apps.
Yeah, I think we should like make a template. We could charge for
Exactly.
it. Do you want to do that, huh?
Comment link and you'll get a template in your DMs. Almost typed meow and then realized I'm fucking 30 years old. What is this?
वो कह रहा है कि वो एक लड़का है, ठीक है, और उसकी मर्दानगी हर्ट हो गई है मेरी प्रोफाइल में ब्यूटी देखकर, और इसलिए वो मियाओ मियाओ कर रहा था. As you should, king. Sorry. As you should, kitten. Meow. I mean,
Weirdo.
yeah, I mean that's also my type. I like weird people, but then for a compliment, I would say that this is like a solid 6 for me. I
I
understand.
mean, I don't think so. This is
No,
something for me.
yeah,
This is not.
but that's also because my prompt in that says that I like men who submit, who are into
Acha,
submission. So
okay.
that's why he's saying meow, and he's being expressive and vulnerable, like knowing that I could very well be doing what I'm doing right now.
Okay, so he replied to that prompt and said, almost typed meow, and then realized I'm fucking 30 years old.
I like it. Actually, it's growing on me even more. 6.5.
4.
So another response to submission prompt is, so the best icebreaker would be please, please, please.
I think it's a good sense of humor, so a point for that.
I would give it like an 8, but that's my choice.
6. Not gonna lie, kinda surprised someone like you isn't already taken. Very generic, but what do you mean by taken? Am I a thing or what?
Commodity that requires ownership. If he says taken, and if he's going to say that I want to take you, he's going to take me to the lowest point in my life. Minus.
Minus.
Here.
I think this taken wala compliment was very 2018. Like, you remember people used to type in their bios, taken by this.
But I think with time you need to
Cringe.
progress. If you're still stuck in 2018, 2017, then you need some help. Read a book.
I like you, I'm taking you out. Excuse me.
No hello, no hi, how are you?
Do you know the word consent?
Can I take you out? May I take you out?
Shall I take you out? There are multiple ways of saying the same thing, but you decided not to. I am taking you out. What is this?
It's a man making decisions. Yeah.
For me. Ew. Okay, this was a prompt.
So it basically said that I would never date someone who would diminish me or minimize me or like make me a shadow to like pull themselves up, because that's what a lot of people end up doing to a lot of women as well. Like they would not notice it just then, but after like maybe months or years, they'd be like, oh my God, I can't even recognize myself in the mirror. So my point is that I will not have ownership. Like no one can own me. I have no interests in owning anyone. And if you have a problem with my personality, if you tell me that you should not post this, you should not wear this, you're not letting me be myself. And who the hell are you to let me be who?
Exactly. Like that was basically the thing that you had written, and he replied, Monday 8 to 11 p.m. and you won't have to download this app again and write all this in a prompt. Also, all with flowers and cute arguments about how my date plans are always better than yours. His name is Raj. Excuse me, Raj. How are you assuming that your date plans are better than hers? First of all,
Without
and you
even saying hi.
without even knowing her, without even knowing the person. Very narcissistic behavior. And the ऊपर क्या लिखा है? Monday 8 to 11 p.m. टाइमिंग्स भी डिसाइड कर ली, डेट भी डिसाइड कर लिया.
मंडे को कौन बोलता है भाई? काम नहीं है आपके पास. और ये क्या है कि मतलब क्यूट आर्ग्यूमेंट्स, तुम्हें पहली बार मिलते ही लड़ाई क्यों करनी है?
This shows how much you love arguments.
Red flag.
Very much red
Minus. Yuck. I think you should date a Punjabi guy who's almost 6 feet tall.
यहीं पे रुक जाओ. No Punjabi guy. Please. Never. Ever.
Yeah, I like Punjabi man because their food is insane.
You come with me to Punjab and I'll take you to all the food places. Please don't date Punjabi guy, for God's sake. I diminish Punjabi guys.
You know, but I have also noticed that there's a very big difference between Punjabi guys and Delhi Punjabi guys. I think you should date a Punjabi guy who's almost 6 feet tall, looks okay, makes you laugh, care for you, shows efforts, take you out to eat some tasty food. Wait, we are talking about me? No way. No, we are not. You haven't replied to me. Okay, you know what? Minus. My bad. I judged too soon.
I told you.
Wait, what if you swipe right? Well, I will bring flowers and you let me sing a song about how stunning you look on our first date. If you don't blush, I'll personally deliver cheesecake and wine to you with an apology.
Okay, I'll tell you what I like in this. I have a thing for guys who sing.
You also
So,
have a thing for me because I sing.
yes, I have. कल रात ब्रेन आउट गर्ल ने गाया एंड मैं तो बस पड़ गई थी प्यार में.
Oh my god. So, I don't think that you would just be like, if you don't blush, I'll apologize to you. Like, I mean, don't start with a negative connotation and don't underestimate yourself to begin with, because then I feel like you have a very low self esteem. That too is very problematic because then you need a lot of validation.
Yeah,
And I can't be like,
validating.
all the time. It drains energy out of any single person. Any sane person would actually go insane after a while. Here's a picture for you to judge.
Oh my god. Let's do this for our date from home. Oh my god. Ew. I think I'll close the dating app after watching. This is how bad it was.
And I did actually. I closed it after this. I was like, ew. In the manliest way possible, I would cry if you don't match with me.
I like it.
I love it.
I love it too.
I love it. I would give it a solid 9 on 10.
Same, 9 on 10.
Because nothing is hotter than a man
Being vulnerable.
and self aware and expressive of their feelings.
Yes.
It makes you manly.
Yes. No hate, but you should be more careful with what you post. Pretty sure it's against community guidelines to be that gorgeous. So, firstly, I was serious reading the first line.
Because
thought-
content creators, bro.
Yeah, I thought he knew your Instagram. And then, against the community guidelines, again, I got serious. And then, to be that gorgeous, I was like,
Had been the first half.
I think I like it. It's pretty interesting to have a first conversation.
Yeah, I think I'd give it like a 7.5 easy.
Yeah, 7.5.
I'm writing a paper on the finer things in life. I was wondering if I could interview you.
I like it. Good one.
I like it too.
7 on 10.
Is it just me or did Goddess Venus log in? I come with flowers, ice creams, and the emotional stability your ex couldn't handle. Oops. Assume क्यों किया कि मेरे पास ex है?
I hate this generalization of exes, bro. It is so random. Like, people do drift apart, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं सबके exes बुरे होते हैं या सबके exes अच्छे होते हैं. Like, of course, assumption is बुरे होते हैं. So,
I would give this like a 1 because you called me Goddess Venus or whatever. That was fine. But matlab, like I feel like even if you assume that someone's ex is bad, I think that's like the last place you should mention an ex. And then you will have a problem if I start talking about my ex. Be like, why are you so obsessed with your ex? You are the one who's
Yeah.
starting this conversation.
yeah. And I think the first few meetings, you should not even mention your past relationship. You should just get to know each other. Why are you judging someone based on their past relationship in the first few meets? After that, maybe you decide to do that.
Live in the present.
Yeah.
Everyone has a past. But if you don't move forward from that, it is your choice to stay in that loop again and again.
Grow up, Anurag. You are so fine that I wouldn't mind your makeup taking up all my bathroom counter space. Is it a thing to mind, first of all?
It's a blessing, not a curse.
Yeah.
What nonsense. Like, you're getting my company to begin with. But again, you're not getting any company because
Because the compliment was like that.
I would give this a 2 on 10. You tried, that's why 2 for effort.
Same.
I'm told patience is attractive. Wanna see me try to listen to you without trying to make it all about me.
एक minute. Listening is a very basic thing that a partner or as a friend, I should be listening to you. Okay? So, what are you bragging about, man?
That he has to try to listen. The compliment really shouts enough about you, enough about me. Let's talk about me. What are your thoughts on me? Enough talking about me. What are your thoughts on me?
Very self-obsessed, I would say, and also bragging about listening is you will give me bare minimum in the relationship. You will be like, मैं सुन तो रहा हूँ और क्या करूँ?
Yuck, I will throw up. Thinking about the future like that.
Hmm.
Ew, I did not think of it in that way, but now that she said it, it makes so much more sense. Like, sometimes you would be repulsed by the things without any meaning, without any hidden agenda. You'll be like, ठीक है, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा. मुझे अच्छा क्यों नहीं लगा? अभी मुस्कान ने बता दिया. Are you a bank loan because you have my interests? I found it funny because you're like at least trying to make a joke. I like funny men who are very stupid.
I think I also have a thing for sense of humor, but I don't think I like this joke.
चलो आपके लिए ये वाला.
क्या आप मेरी बीवी बनोगे? Very बहुत फ्यूचर के ख्यालात हैं, पहले जान तो लो ये क्या होता है, क्या आप मेरी बीवी बनोगे? बट एटलीस्ट यू आर आस्किंग, आई थिंक आई हैव सीन सम
हाँ, अभी वो हाँ पे जाते हैं. Here you go. Keshav says,
यू आर माई वाइफ नाउ. एक्सक्यूज मी,
consent.
क्या होता है?
भगा के शादी कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, किडनैप करके गन पॉइंट, क्या? सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट इट्स अ डेटिंग ऐप, नॉट शादी.com और
एग्जैक्टली, डेटिंग का मतलब क्या है? जानो एक दूसरे को.
बट नहीं, हम तो ये नहीं कर सकते. बट दैट वाज इट, आई थिंक.
इनफ लेसन्स फॉर मेन एंड इनफ.
सद्बुद्धि फॉर women.
यस,
मजा आया? आई होप सो. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया.
मुझे भी बहुत मज़ा आया. प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड her चैनल.
हाँ, क्योंकि हम लोग तो ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे, अजीब चीज़ें डालेंगे कभी बीच में जब हम मिलेंगे,
यस,
क्योंकि हम आपसे भी फिर मिलेंगे.
बाय बाय, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.